Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I'm finally going to do my Shein haul that I've been wanting to do for a couple weeks. I was waiting for my last order to get here to share all the things I ordered. They're all bump friendly styles. I am showing and need some things that fit me. So we'll just jump right in. The first couple things that I ordered are actually two things that I'm wearing right now. This little black crop top that has a little knot right here, and these little cheetah maternity biker shorts. They are like the softest biker shorts and they are so comfy. And I wear black biker shorts all the time, so I felt like a leopard pair would just be a really cute way to mix it up. And then I ordered this baby sweatshirt to go with it because I feel like I could wear it with the leopard, I could wear it with my black biker shorts. And then to match me, I ordered this cute little Mama's Boy, right? Is it Mama's Boy sweatshirt for my son. That way him and I can be matchy-matchy. I ordered a couple other things for him too, but I'll do that at the end. I'll just start with the maternity items that I ordered. Continuing with the brown neutral theme because I've been really into browns, blacks, tans, like neutral colors lately. I picked up this graphic tee. How cute is this? I've been seeing these Los Angeles tees everywhere, and I felt like this oversized tee would be a perfect item to not only grow in my pregnancy, but then once I have the baby, it's gonna be a perfect tee to wear as a dress with like some short booty shorts underneath. So that way, like I'm being multi-purposeful. I always try to order things that I can get a lot of use out of. I don't wanna just order something that I wear one time and never wear it again because I feel like that's super wasteful. So I can wear this pregnant and after pregnancy. I mean, with the graphic tee theme, look at this graphic tee. Is this not so cute? I love everything LA, Beverly Hills. So this tee was really fitting. Plus the butterflies just give it a really cute, fun vibe. The 70s vibes have really come back with like the flowers, the butterflies. So this, I felt like just really went with what's trending right now and then adds a little color to my wardrobe. So I got this black crop top and these black leggings. It's a set. I felt like this is just gonna be the perfect lounge outfit to wear or perfect outfit to wear when I take my son on walks every day. Not to mention, I feel like when you're pregnant, you wanna be cute and matchy, but you wanna be comfy. So this set was like, I don't know, 10, 12 bucks. I will link everything in the description for you, so don't worry. I'll have everything linked, you can check prices. But honestly, I don't think I ordered anything over $20. Like I would be surprised because I was trying to just get the best deals, the cutest looks with the best deals. Los Angeles tee, but this is actually a little bit different because this one's actually like almost a crop. It's like a cut off, not a crop, but it's a cut off tee. So it definitely will start to rise up as my belly grows, but I feel like it'd be really cute to have it be like somewhat short and have my belly kind of hanging out, or just sticking out and having the shirt not go all the way down. Because I feel like on a hot day or a warm day when you don't want necessarily a super long shirt, you want something a little cooling, this will be a perfect shirt for that. Went a little crazy with the black crop tops, but I like wearing crop tops when I'm pregnant, especially at the beginning or middle of the pregnancy, I should say, like right now. I'm definitely showing, but when I wear bigger items, it's harder to tell. Whereas if I wear a crop top and biker shorts, you can really see my bump. I just feel like it makes your bump look really, really cute. So this is just a plain black crop top. I ordered a pack of these. I think it was $3, super cheap. You can never have too many ankle socks. Well, you can, but I really needed some. Sticking with the crop top theme, how beautiful is this emerald green? Oh my God. Emerald green is so in this season and I just love this color. And once again, I love the crop tops and I feel like this paired with a pair of distressed denim jeans or high-rise shorts or cutoff shorts would be super cute. Even a skirt, like a midi skirt with this would be really cute. Like looking at what I have, I feel like pairing this top with this midi skirt would be super, super cute. I'm gonna do another video where I do some try-ons, but today I just wanted to go over the haul that I got. But I'll show you like how these look together and a few of the other outfits look together so you can get an idea as well. All right, so this midi skirt, it's actually not a midi. This is actually like knee. This probably goes to like your knees. Let me see. Yeah, so this is gonna go like a little bit below your knee, your calf, because it goes over the belly. But I got this And I got this set, basically. I got that top. So I got this skirt as a set that matches this top. How cute. I'm really liking the burnt orange color too. Like all the colors I got today are just colors that I'm really into. So this is like a V-neck crop top paired with this knee-high skirt. I can't wait to try this on actually and show you because it's super cute. And I am loving sets lately. Like sets where they're like shorts and tops, like biker shorts and tops, and skirts and tops, and trousers and tops. Like I just feel like a set is not only such a put together, classy, nice look, like it just looks like you put a little effort. In reality, it's like completely effortless. Like you just grab your set and put it on. And the other great thing about sets is that you can get so many outfits out of it. Like you have the set that's an outfit, but then you pair the top with different pants, different shorts, different skirts. You pair the skirt with a bunch of different tops. All of a sudden you have like 8 or 10 outfits from one set. So nice. And then the second skirt and top set I got was this maroon red, I don't know what you'd call this. It's not a cherry red. What kind of red would this be? So the second set I got was this red tank with skirt. So the second set I got was this red tank top paired with a midi skirt. This actually is a midi. It's extremely long. So this goes down to almost my ankle, but it's like in between my ankle and my calf. But what's so cute is there is a slit in the back of this skirt. So it gives you a little room to breathe, and it adds like a little sexy flair to the skirt, or sexy aspect to the skirt, I should say. So this paired with this top. This top is definitely short. It's almost like a bralette, but I feel like, you know, if I'm not worried about what people think, so if people want to judge me, that's totally fine. It gets really hot here where I am in Oregon during the summer. So when it's like 95 degrees, I don't care. I want to be cute and I want to be comfortable and I want to be cool. So this little tankini crop top is going to be perfect. Plus, like I said, I'm just loving skirt top sets. So I'm just really excited to wear this out. I got this top, but then I got this bag to pair with it. The color isn't as exact as I thought it was. I thought that this bag and this shirt were going to be like very similar as far as color. But I still feel like you could wear this green/emerald bag with this lighter emerald green top. I feel like they're both greens and that looks really cute together. But what I love about this kind of color purse is you can pair this with any color really, or you can brighten up a dark outfit. Like I've been wearing a lot of all black lately. So I feel like pairing this purse with like this look, for example, or like an all black outfit is a great way to just kind of brighten up the outfit and have your purse really stand out. And the last 2 items I'm gonna share with you are 2 other things that I got for my son. First was this little shorts and top set. This material is so nice. It's like a really thick ribbed material, really high quality. I think his set was only $8, so for how affordable it is, it's just a really high quality fabric. I'm really excited. The other set I got him was these little sweatpants that have a skinny ankle so they won't drag on the ground, which I'm all about because he's still growing lengthwise into everything. And those sweats match this shirt. The saying on it says, it should be from like to get power and happiness, not spend all the power and happiness to like. Hope you know. Not that he'll understand what that means, but I love powerful statements, and I feel like just him wearing something like this is just really meaningful to me. So it's just a little top to go with it. Like with the sweatshirt, he could wear this over these outfits if he wanted, or just wear this sweatshirt with a pair of jeans or a pair of his shorts, especially, you know, if you're going out at night or you're going out for the day, but you know it's gonna get cold at night. It's nice to have a little sweatshirt to put over it. Okay, well, that is it for the Shein haul. And I keep saying Shein, and I believe it's like Shein. Anyways, you know what I mean. Shein. I can't wait to share with you what all those looks look like on, but I just was really excited and wanting to share all these items with you as soon as possible. I knew I wasn't gonna have time today to do a full try on because I'm doing this video while Luca is napping. So I figured either way, I just wanted to do a quick Shein haul, show you everything I got, link everything for you in the video. That way you can go and shop the things you like, find other things you like. I'm hoping this video gave you some great ideas for bump-friendly looks that are super cute and sexy at the same time. If you really enjoyed this video and you haven't already gave it a thumbs up, I would so appreciate it. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I'm going to be doing weekly videos with bump-friendly styles and bump-friendly fashion. I'm going to be sharing all my favorite maternity brands and clothing items. I did a lot of research last time around, and so this time around, I know what I like. And I just have a lot of brands that I feel like people don't think of. I feel like there's certain brands that people always think of when it comes to maternity. And I feel like Shein, for example, isn't one that a lot of people think about, but they have so many cute, affordable options. And let's be real, like when it comes to maternity clothes, we want it to be affordable. We don't want to spend a bunch of money on clothes we're gonna be wearing for 4 months. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be sharing tons of styles for you. I'll be sharing more baby styles. And make sure to connect with me on Instagram if you're not already connected with me, or on TikTok. It's at The Ashley Style. I will link those below as well. And I can't wait to try some of these on for you and share it with you and show you what they look like. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. So stay tuned for my following video coming up with that. Most likely that'll be coming out next weekend, on this weekend for graduation. So I won't be able to film the try on until the following next week. So stay tuned for the Shein try on. Next weekend, it'll be up. And thank you so, so much for watching. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I hope you find lots of cute items for yourself. Yay! Oh, and make sure to follow me on LTK, Like to Know, because I post almost daily, but I post any kind of fashion item that I find on that app. And it just has all the links for you to be able to shop it directly in that app. So it makes it super easy. So I'll link all the individual items for you, and then I'll also link my link to LTK. So you can just follow me on there and find everything you need. Thank you so, so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye guys.